Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to take you guys to work with me. Have you ever heard the saying, a person is half known by their clothes? Yes, you're what you wear. And I truly believe in that. Also, that's why I got up at 4 in the morning to be there at location by 7. For those who don't know me, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a makeup artist currently in Austin. Today I have a client at San Antonio and it is 1.5 hour travel for me. I usually pack and keep things ready by previous night. I even select and keep my dresses ready so by morning I don't have to rush and get ready peacefully before work. Okay, here, am I the only one who overdo blush each time? If you do too, then here is a quick tip. Use the brush which you use to blend concealer or foundation to lightly run over your blush. The leftover product from the brush helps to shear it down. Comment below if you do too. I have a really long day ahead, so I want to make sure that my lipstick stays throughout. And I tried NYX lip stain for the first time. Wash till the end to see if it really lost the entire day. I wiped off the stain and I love how plumpy it made my lips. I topped it with Maybelline lip gloss and that's it. This is going to be my new go-to combo. If you follow me, you might know how much I love Milani setting spray. I stock myself jumbo pack. And that's it, I'm all ready. Now the time is 5:10 and I have to start out of my house by 5:30. As I said, I packed my things the previous day so everything is ready to load. I always carry 3 bags and a chair. My chair is a lifesaver. If not, I can't feel my back after the work. And I'm pretty sure all the professional artists agree with me. I keep everything ready and my husband load them in the car. This is the chair I carry with me all time. And we're all set to go. This is how my makeup looks. I kept it very natural yet put together. And this is my outfit. I try to wear all black to the work. This I believe speaks professionalism. I have 5 makeup back to back, which means straight up 5 to 6 hours continuous standing. I need all the energy in the world. So I made overnight oats for the breakfast and I had it on the way to the job. And I love it each time I make it for my breakfast. And this is the location. It's a bride's house and I reached there by 6:50. I take good 10 to 15 minutes to set all my things before my first makeup. This will help me to keep things organized before makeup. This is how my station looks before makeup. And I'm all set to call my first client. That's my co-worker setting her station for the hair. My first makeup is for bride's mom. The thing I love about my job is that I get to meet and talk to different people. Every single time I get to learn something new from the person in my chair. Be it a casual conversation or something really deep, this always opens up my perspective in different ways. Here I am working with bride's mom and she's very sweet. She asked for very minimal and subtle makeup with no lashes on. And I believe I did justice for what she asked for. She was very happy with the makeup.
No, it looks pretty. I like it. Yes, ma'am. I like it. It's pretty. I'm very simple.
Very simple, yes. I always ask few questions before I start my makeup. It always helped me to be in the same page with my client. So yeah, these are your differences. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
You want this like this?
Maybe a little more natural.
Natural. Okay.
I like the color, like a natural one.
Oh, like warm tone. So she don't have eyeliner. She just has eyelashes. Do you want the same?
Yes, I don't like liner. I feel like I look funny with it.
Is it? Alright, and what about the lips?
The lips. Maybe something like that or yeah, something natural looking.
Okay, yeah. We can figure it out. Alright. So, do I have to be aware of any allergies? Do you have?
No allergies.
What do you think your skin type is?
Maybe like a combination because I'm dry here but really oily here.
Okay, I can see that here.
Mm-hmm,
Do you
yes.
have anything in your face now?
Mm-mm.
This is almost like a mini consultation session before I start makeup. It gives me better picture of what they are looking for. It also gives them a sense of professionalism. Depends on their response, I always tailor my skin prep before makeup. Oh, she is the bride sister. At this point, I changed the chair direction, but I totally forgot to change the camera angle. Yeah, Emily. But she was happy with her makeup too.
No, that's perfect. I like it. Yeah.
I always double set the makeup first with Urban Decay and then with One Size. At this point, my phone almost died, so I couldn't record the entire process. But then I have recorded only like important bits like before and after. This is her after. I love how her makeup turned out. So does she. She was very pretty after makeup. Now, here comes the bride. I started with the skin prep. We already had a trial session before, and I kind of know what's her skin type and the problematic areas are. She asked for the full matte, classy, timeless bridal eye look. Since she has oily skin, she wanted her base to be super matte. She loves blush and wanted it to pop.
No, looks good. I like that. Yeah, I like that.
Like always, I double set her makeup and she loved it. At this point, my phone was hanging in a fine thread for its life, so I just recorded the before and after. And this is the after miss. If you guys are still here with me and want to see more such videos, subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so you'll be notified each time I post something new. I would love to see you guys around. Finally heading back home with warm cup of latte, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.